I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hades on Android. Currently, Hades is not natively available as a direct download for Android devices. However, you can still experience this acclaimed game on your phone or tablet through cloud gaming services. We will also explore how to stream the game from your personal computer, offering you two main pathways to enjoy Hades on the go. The most straightforward method to play Hades on your Android device is through cloud gaming services. Xbox Cloud Gaming, for example, includes Hades in its library. To access this, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or faster, and pair a compatible Bluetooth controller for the best and most responsive gameplay experience. Another viable option is to stream Hades directly from your personal computer to your Android device. Applications such as Steam Link or Moonlight allow you to mirror your PC game onto your phone or tablet. This method requires Hades to be installed on your computer and a robust local network connection. Your gaming experience will largely depend on your PC specifications and the strength of your home Wi-Fi network. To truly optimize your Hades experience on Android, several tips can help. Always prioritize a stable and fast internet connection, especially for cloud gaming. Using a high-quality Bluetooth gaming controller is highly recommended for precise input. Additionally, ensure your Android device has sufficient processing power and close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate resources to your game. These steps will provide the smoothest possible gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.